The birds are tearing up my new plant. They're working real hard. Oh, I just missed it. He's in there. See him? He's making a nest. They're working so hard, they're gonna have little birdies in there. I had some last year. I love my little animals. Where'd he go? What a mess. Some other birds did this a couple weeks ago and I cleaned it up. There it is. What kind of bird is that? Look at that. Look. There it goes. They're all over the place. What kind of birds? Oh. And that brush there, that has Blue's fur in it, and they've been digging that out. This is so sweet, but it's such a mess. Oh, my birdies. What kind of bird is that? It's so sweet. Oh, gosh. They are working so hard.